Welcome, Internet. Today I will be doing a voice acting challenge where I imagine if birds could talk, what would they say and how would they say it? It's a stupid idea. I, of course, am the smartest bird there is. Scientifically proven, in fact. Which means I'm number 2, right, mate?
You gotten anything shiny?
So I was going to the flower, right, and then what did I see there? I saw a bee right in the way of the flower, and it was in there, and I asked, it was in my favorite flower, you see, and I asked the bee what she was doing there, so, and she said that she was getting all the pollen out, and I was like, oh, okay, I don't, good then, because I don't want any pollen in my favorite flower, because I just want that sweet nectar, and then she was like, have I thought about decaf? I don't drink coffee. Alright, see, this is what we do, see? We gang up on you, see, and you just gotta take it, because we're gonna peck you, see, and then we're gonna drain your blood, and you just gotta sit there and wait for us to finish, because if you try fighting us off, another one of us vampire finches is gonna come and get you. And in case you wanted a stereotypical vampire voice, well, here you go.
Reaper bird, I steal kids. Ah! Cool. Hey, I'm walking here. Give me a bagel.
I do believe it was Chaucer who said that if it were cold I'd wear a coat. Chaucer, of course, was the first lady doctor in all of Italy. My legs are deadly enough to kill a snake like that. Ah, it is I. Yes, take it in, my adoring fans. Peace and love, man. Alright. Peace and love, brother.
Cuckoo, cuckoo. The time is undefined. Cuckoo, cuckoo. They're coming to take me away. They're coming to take me away. Those nice men in their pretty raincoats, they're coming to take me away. Oh, hello. Oh, food. Excuse me. Ah! Dad, he's mocking me. Stop. That's it.
As the bald eagle, I am the mascot of the land of the brave and the home of the free. Never mind the fact that they almost drove me to extinction with pesticides. Yeehaw. Okay. Why is a flamingo Edwin, you might be asking? Well, I pose this question. Why not?
Huh. A parrot. What would a parrot say? Let's think here.
Well, I guess the video's over. I can't think of anything for a parrot to say, so bye-bye.